Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Mazda CX-5 Maxx Sport, stock reference number 5484. The shape runs from the 2nd month 2013 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand fog light with surround, left hand fog light with surround, left hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, command switches, dual zone climate control, heater controls, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.